How to hide followers list on Instagram. Hey guys, in today's video, I will show you step by step on how to hide your followers list or your following list on Instagram. First of all, after you open up your Instagram app like this now, tap on your profile at the bottom right side. After you tap on your profile, all you have to do now is to open this your profile for you like this. So to hide your followers list or your following list, as you can see now, tap on this menu at the top right side. After you tap on this menu now, if your account is like a professional account, make sure you change your account, or business account, make sure you change your account to, as you can see now, to personal account. If you come to this section, as you can see now, tap on this business and creator tool. So after you tap on this section now, tap on this switch to, so switch your account to personal account. It only works on personal account. Switch to personal account. So now I switch my account to personal account. I'll tap on this black arrow at the top. So as you can see now my account is personal account. So now tap on this as you can see now menu at the top right side again. Now scroll to down and tap on this which says account privacy, this one. So if you come to this section, the only option you have to hide your followers list or following list on Instagram is to make your account private. As you can see now, tap on this section private account. So now you make your account private. Now no one can be able to see or to rewatch all your followers list or following list on Instagram. Now you hide your followers list on Instagram. That's it guys on how to hide followers list or following list on Instagram. This is the only option you have for now. So Instagram doesn't allow you to do that by a just single button, but for in future we hope Instagram will add this feature. But for now Instagram doesn't allow you to do that. You can only make your account private to hide to get this feature. That's it guys.